Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to check out, beaches of Pondicherry. I'll also show you guys one beach which is as beautiful as Rock Beach but very calm and peaceful, kind of like an, offbeat beach. And also we'll be exploring Auroville. All you need to know about Auroville it will be part of this video. So stay tuned. Let's get started. Here we are at Side Beach Auroville. That's what it showed on map. If I have to give you a better locality, it is like very adjacent to Oro Beach. It's kind of like an extension. So definitely come here and check it out, guys. We'll walk over and show you guys more about this beach. It is so beautiful. This was a very beautiful beach. One side lot of coconut trees and it's so calm, and there are these rock terrain or extensions. You can walk to the ocean. It's so good and beautiful. Definitely do come and check this place out. We are heading to Auroville next. Auroville is an experimental township where men and women from all countries, can live in peace and progressive harmony. The purpose of Auroville is to realize human unity. It's a very beautiful place. Visitors are only allowed to certain sections of Auroville. So we'll go and show you guys more about this place. Hey guys, we have reached Auroville. This is a unique town and concept started by Aravindo. We'll go to the visitor center, get a pass and go check out the viewpoint of Matrimandir. So we'll take you guys through the journey. There's huge good parking space. For 4-wheeler it's 100 rupees, 2-wheeler 20 rupees. From here we'll go to the visitor center. So let's go. From the parking lot we'll have to walk to the visitor center, get our pass, and then we can head towards Matrimandir. It's more than 1 kilometer. It took us around 20 minutes. So there are also bus facilities actually. If are someone who cannot walk, or if you have small kids and all, you can take that bus service. It's a shuttle for free and you can directly go to the viewpoint. All through the way you'll see lot of notice boards with so much information about this place and what its purpose are. Lot of informative boards were there, and there was shade all through the walking path. So if you guys are interested, you guys can spend some time reading and understanding more about this and enjoy your historical journey. Here we are. This is the visitor center. Here there is also a video show apart from a gallery display of information. So you guys can spend some 10 minutes in that video show and then head further. This is a model of how it will be inside that dome. They're just showcasing it here. We just got our free pass and now we are heading to the viewpoint. The visitors are only allowed till the viewpoint, and it's itself very beautiful. There was some construction work happening around that, yet it was so nice and good. So we'll take you guys further ahead and show more. If you have taken the bus, you will be dropped here. From here, it was hardly like 5-minute walk, to the viewpoint. And again, there is full shade, so not an issue at all. The viewpoint is allowed for the visitors from 9 a.m. till 5:30 p.m. And if you want to go inside the dome, then you need to request 2-3 days prior and get a permission pass to be able to go inside and meditate. Right next to the visitor center, there are also some clothes shops, food items and bookstores. So you guys can explore those as well at your own pace and then head out. We have come to Eden Beach. This is a very beautiful place, but this is kind of a popular beach, so it's extremely crowded on the weekends. Parking might be a bit difficult for a four-wheeler. The parking was free and the beach, is better to come before 6 in the evening. So we have come to Eden Beach and this is at the starting itself. This is, I guess, Chunamba River, but I'll anyways verify and put it in the description. We'll go inside and check out the beach. So let's go. There are actually a lot of facilities in this beach. There is a changing room, toilet, free drinking water, and there is also a section of the beach where swimming is safe. So it's a very good place to come and spend some time. Hey guys, we have come to Eden Beach. This is one of the few beaches with blue certificate. In front of the beach there is a big coconut tree farm as well, and there is a lake also. You can take a boat ride here and you can go to the beach and enjoy in the ocean. There is an open amphitheater in the beginning, and there are also a couple of watchtowers and a small children's play area. On Sundays this is really crowded, guys, so parking, there is parking space, but it might get difficult if you have a four-wheeler. Two-wheelers there will be no issue to park. So you can still come here. It's a very nice place to have a picnic by the lake and chill with your family, so do check it out. We are heading to the third and final beach for this video. It's Serenity Beach. And in other videos in Pondicherry travel series, we would have covered other important beaches, so go back and check it out so that you can cover all the important places in Pondi in your next visit. There are lots of beach stays and restaurants available right opposite to the Serenity Beach. This is again another location if you want to enjoy a beachfront stay, so do check it out. Here you can also take surf lessons, and this is also a very beautiful beach to come and enjoy, and there are some rocky terrains here as well. You can walk towards the beach and click amazing photos, so do check this beach out as well. We saw a lot of fishing boats here, so I think if you want to check those out, you can come early in the morning. It's a very long beach and so beautiful, less crowded than Rock Beach for sure. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do subscribe, like, share and comment. See you all soon on the next video. Until then, bye.